If you're looking for easy, high-protein smoothies you can make in under 5 minutes with just 5 ingredients, then this is the video for you. Each one blends in seconds and keeps you full without any added sugar. The exact measurements and macros for each smoothie are in the description, and the recipes are timestamped if you want to jump ahead. First up is the chocolate peanut butter banana protein smoothie. Start with your blender jar. Add 1 cup of milk. I'm using unsweetened vanilla almond milk for all of these smoothies. Add 1 frozen banana. Add 1/3 a cup of chocolate protein powder. Any type of protein powder works for these smoothies. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Make sure it's unsweetened and not sweetened with sugar. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You can use a different nut butter if you prefer. Place the lid on your blender. Power on your blender, then blend everything together until it's smooth. Grab your cup and pour your smoothie into it. And there's your chocolate peanut butter banana protein smoothie. This one is packed with protein and healthy fats, so it's great for staying full between meals or as a satisfying post-workout refuel. Next up is a strawberry banana protein smoothie. In a blender jar, add 1 cup of frozen strawberries. You can use fresh strawberries as well. Add 1 frozen banana. Add 1 cup of milk. Coconut milk also works really well for a creamier and more tropical smoothie. Add 1/3 a cup of vanilla protein powder. A strawberry or banana flavored protein powder also works great here. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. You can also use hemp seeds if you prefer. Place the lid on your blender, power on your blender, then blend everything together until it's smooth. Grab your cup and pour your smoothie into it. Then you're ready to enjoy your strawberry banana protein smoothie. If you like sweet, fruity shakes, this strawberry banana version gives you a solid amount of protein with that classic smoothie flavor you can enjoy any time of the day. Now for the mixed berry protein smoothie. In your blender jar, start with 1.5 cups of frozen mixed berries. For reference, I'm using a mix of raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Add 1/3 a cup of vanilla protein powder. Add 1 cup of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Once again, any nut butter is fine here. And finally, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Place the lid on your blender, power on your blender, then blend everything together until it's smooth. Grab your cup and pour your smoothie into it. Then you're good to go with your mixed berry protein smoothie. This one is packed with protein and fiber, so it's perfect for a lighter breakfast or a refreshing shake when you want something sweet but still satisfying. Finally, we have the blueberry vanilla protein smoothie. In your blender jar, begin with 1.5 cups of fresh or frozen blueberries. I'm using fresh here. Add 1/3 a cup of vanilla protein powder. Add 1 cup of milk. Add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. You can use hemp seeds if you prefer. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Place the lid on your blender, power on your blender, then blend everything together until it's smooth. Grab your cup and pour your smoothie into it. Then you'll have your blueberry vanilla protein smoothie ready to go. Thanks to the blueberries and flaxseed, this one brings a nice mix of protein, fiber, and antioxidants, making it a simple way to support your health any day of the week. So there you have it, 4 really quick and easy high protein smoothies to fuel your health and fitness goals. Which one do you like the most? Or do you have a certain flavor you want to see with 5 ingredients or less? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.